to teach you how to use the solver reasonably. Okay, so the first one is go like that. This is my y1. Okay, the second one, y2, it go this way. Am I right? So look, my cutoff point is at 3. Correct? So if you put your, when you put into the solver, listen, your E1 is integrate from 0 to 3 y1 dx plus integrate from 3 to k y2 dx, and your E2 is equal to 1, correct? If you put a value that near here, definitely they will give you 1 as well, because the area here is negative. Do you get me? So when I put OK and the X come out here, I will try to put a value that as near 3 as possible. Understand? Don't put anyone that is very far away from 3, like 10, 20, like that. Try to put it as near 3 as possible. So maybe I put 4. Then your solver will trace an answer that is the integral, sum of the integral equal to 1. That is near to this value. Do you get me? It cannot be here because your probability cannot be negative. Understood? So you must have some visual of it. So the safest way, listen here, the safest way is for this case, try to put it as near this as possible before you press alpha trace. Alpha enter. Are you clear? Hello? Please bear that in mind. Do you get me? So your K, you should get 3 point. Christopher, what is your answer just now? Four, 3. Right? Yeah. Then when you plot the graph, look, for the blue one, it should stop at 3. Then when you sketch your graph for this one, look, it should go until 3. Then it should go straight up. Then go like that. Then this one go down, and this is 0. This, the last point is 3.43. You see or not? So it doesn't mean that they will break at the intersection point. Not necessary. Depend on how I define the value of x for which function. Do you get me? Okay, so the rest. So very important that you use your solver must be logic as well. Okay, everyone, are you okay? You're not okay with your solver, you better let me know, because you're going to use it over and over again. .40. Your answer wrong. His answer is wrong. Just now all that tell me is correct. Huh? Xin Chi and Xin Yi. The answer 3.43 correct or not? So the simplest is you put 3 on, then after that only you press alpha and enter. Is it 3.43 or 3.40? 3.40 Hi. 3. 3.40 It's 3.40, okay, class? $3.40. 40 what? 40. We try to 402. Yeah, 3.402. So the graph will look like this. And you make the highest point here, the coordinates. The actual graph that you sketch, it should go in this way. So this one is right at the bottom here. Then the other one is high up because this point is 3 and 2.1. So you go like that. Then you go down a little bit. Then you go down. That is here is 3.402. Then you go. That is how the graph go. Hello? If you want me to do it exactly, mine is I didn't draw in proportion. So sometimes when you sketch the graph, right, that's why it's good to jot down this point and this point. You don't have to draw in proportion, but if you jot down the coordinates, then people will know. Understand? I'm not drawing the graph, I'm sketching. So you put down the important point. You get me or not? Hello? Okay, huh? To find the mean, you integrate from 0 to 3 x y1 dx plus integrate from 3 to 3.402 x y2 dx. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, can someone give me the answer? 3.104. Never mind. You don't want to rectify whether it's correct or not, then up to you. Is it? You got that? 2.98. Anyone got other answer? 2.98. Okay, so Dana, okay, to check the median. Okay, for median, I told you already what we need to do. We need to check first. You check, how you check? You integrate from 0 to 3 y1 dx. Can someone give me this answer? 0.18, correct? So therefore, the median will lie between 3 and 3.4. The median will be here. Am I right? So I will write down integrate median to 3.408 y2 dx is equal to 0.5. Use solver and solve it. Hurry up. So every time when you talk about median, you have to check first and decide. This is less than 0.5. So you have to lie within the other half of the region. What is the answer? Mode is definitely 3, okay? What is the answer? What is the answer? How can be 2.79? Wow. It's between 3 and 3.4. 3.15. Correct? So you have to be very clear. Don't trust the solver fully. You have to use, we have to use our frontal lobe. Do you know where is your frontal lobe? Your front part of your brain that make you think. Got it? Okay, may I know what is the standard deviation? Yeah, so you have to key into your calculator like that. 0 to 3 x squared y1 dx plus 3 to 3.402 x squared y2 dx minus the mean square. Then put it into the calculator and get the answer. Yes. Is it Chokan? The one with blue. What is your name? Okay. What is the answer for the standard deviation? You haven't counted yet. You are not doing. You are holding your graphic calculator and not moving. So do you get the answer? Answer? 0.58. 5856. 560. Okay? So you see, when you do all these things, you have to depend on the function given and you have to solve it properly. Okay, by the probability, that one you have to do 2 integration. Hello? All done by the graphic calculator.